Hey, it's the old Florida boy. Well, I had to go to my local UPS store and get something notarized. So it happens to be in the same plaza as my favorite local Dollar Tree store. So I'm gonna see what I got. I got 2 Washingtons with me today. And I'm gonna see what kind of bushcraft stuff I can fish up for $2. I'm going in. Wish me luck.
Something in the water that's calling my name.
All right, here we go. Local Dollar Tree. Once again, people are wondering what the hell I'm doing walking along the parking lot, talking to my phone. But I am going into the local Dollar Tree and see what we can get for $2. So, trust me, I'm going in. If I don't come out, somebody come in and save me. Jeez, what a wonderland. Alright. I wonder if I can find any more of those little spoon and forks that I like. I only got one. They were on the party stuff. Let's see. Alright. God, they don't got those. I'm gonna have to find out where they are and buy a bunch of them. I'm using mine too much. I know what I want to get. I'm gonna go around to the health and beauty section. Alright, this ought to be fun.
Oh, thank you so much for bringing this box and be like, here you go. Yeah, right. Enjoy your day, ma'am.
Yes, this is what I was looking for. Cotton rounds. All right. Let's see what else. I need one of these for another project that I'm cooking up. All right, I gotta go pay. See, we got my thing, and we got my cotton rounds. Yeah. $2.14. Here's 2, and look at that. I got 15. Hey, I get a penny back. That's good.
There you go.
Awesome.
And your receipt.
Thanks. You just put it in a bag. That's good.
Sure.
Awesome.
Have a nice day.
Thanks. Oh man.
Okay, do that. Send it to him, see what they do. Alright, thanks.
What an awesome Dollar Tree haul. Now, I'm going to use those little cotton rounds, just the kind of makeup type sponges. I'm going to do some fire starting stuff with those. And that bacon dish I got, I'm starting to do some hydroponic gardening. So I'm going to have some videos coming up on hydroponic tomatoes pretty soon. They're just starting to take root. So let's get this stuff back to the workbench and see what we got. All right, here we are back on the workbench of death. And it's pretty cool. Cotton rounds. 100% cotton. And I think there's 80 of them. So these are the little cotton rounds, or the little makeup things. These are going to be awesome. I might try some fire logs, or I might wrap them around some matches, dip them in wax, and make some super matches out of them. This is going to be great. I'm going to really experiment with some fire starting stuff with the little makeup sponges and the cotton rounds. So, also picked myself up nice little shallow baking dish. I'm starting to do some hydroponic gardening and hydroponic tomatoes. You haven't seen a video on it yet because it takes a while to grow it hydroponically, but I'm working on some stuff, as well as you know, I have a giant tote that when I actually master this hydroponic stuff, I'm going to grow a lot of stuff in there in the spring. So we got some pretty good stuff coming on my channel. I hope you stay with me. I want to thank everybody who's a subscriber on my channel, and there's more and varied stuff to come. So stick with Florida Boy Survival, and you might just learn something. Once again, you see some suggested videos in the left-hand corner. You're going to see my subscription bubble in the upper right-hand corner. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I answer all comments. And until next time, this is Matt, the old Florida boy, saying, I will see you on the trail.